and welcome to KP's Cozy Kitchen. I'm KP, that's me, and I'm so excited you're here for my very first ever YouTube video. Yay! I am on an ambitious journey to conquer the world of culinary, one cookbook at a time. Let me not get ahead of myself, perhaps one recipe at a time. I have always wanted to get better at cooking and work on my self-confidence. So I figured, why not conquer two goals in one setting? And that's why we're here today. I'm going to be looking through this cookbook and recipes online, perhaps some requests from my amazing people, my cozy cookies, and we're gonna have a blast making a mess or making something delicious. So consider this me knocking the door down to my kitchen. So what I've done is I made a list of about 80 recipes from this precise book that I'm actually willing to eat. And I put them in a really cute bag. And then at the end of each week, we'll shake it up and we'll see what I'm making. If you guys have any suggestions, I will add them to the bag. But before I came up with that idea, I found this amazing recipe that caught my attention from the year 1922. The original Girl Scout cookie. How crazy is that? Before commercial kitchens got involved in 1934, the Girl Scouts usually used to actually bake their own cookies at home. And then they would go door to door to sell them. It's a recipe they called sugar cookies, but also described as the official Girl Scout cookie. It requires simple ingredients, and it honestly looks really easy to make, so maybe I won't mess this one up. The recipe calls for a cup of butter and a cup of sugar. It says also you could use a substitute. I didn't have a full cup of butter, so I used a half a cup of butter and a half a cup of Crisco. Let's see how it goes. Okay, now the recipe calls for 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of milk or water. I don't have milk, so I'm using water. I Googled, it said it was okay. And of course, we cannot forget the best part, the vanilla. I like to use vanilla extract and a little bit of vanilla bean paste. It calls for a teaspoon. I do 2 teaspoons. Anytime my recipe says 1, I add double. Alright, now we have to scrape down the sides of the bowl before we add our flour. Alright, as you see, nice and scraped down. Flour time! Woo! Here we go. Sorry. This is how the dough turned out. I'm going to chill it for an hour. We're going to bake these at 375 for about 8 to 10 minutes. Alrighty, now let's taste the cookie and see how I did. Look how pretty, nice and golden brown. Let's see. That's actually really good. I think I overbaked it just a little bit, but that's what this is all about. Thank you so much for joining me today in my cozy kitchen. Again, I'm KP. That's me. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Come back for more recipes, please. I will be probably just as awkward, but at least you might have had a little fun. I know I did. Happy baking!